For all of you joining us online for the first time ever, Unpacked is being captured and streamed with the amazing Galaxy S20. Thank you. Thank you.
So we rebuilt the Galaxy S20's entire camera system to change the way we capture. The key to capturing a high-quality photo is a high-resolution camera, because the higher the resolution, the more detail you can capture, and the more you can see. Maybe you're taking a picture and you notice something interesting in the background, so you pitch in to get a better look. But as you get closer, the image gets pixelated. At 64 megapixels, S20's revolutionary camera system takes smartphone photography to the next level. So when you need to crop an image, don't worry. S20's resolution is so sharp that even when you do crop, your photo remains crisp and clear. Of course, high resolution isn't just useful for viewing pictures, it's also useful when you're taking them. When you need to get closer or want the subject to be the only thing in the frame, you need zoom. And with Galaxy S20's Space Zoom, you can get up to 30 times closer. So there's something that's cool from far away, you can still zoom in, get a high-quality shot. Samsung cameras are the best in the business, not just because of the game-changing hardware, but because of their intelligence. With AI, you can use this revolutionary camera to the fullest. Think about it. There's those times when you want to capture the moment, but by the time you decided on the right camera mode, the moment's gone. With single take mode, S20 uses AI to capture different versions of that exact same moment, using each of its different cameras. Just take a short clip up to 10 seconds, and single take captures different versions of that game-winning goal. Live focus, boomerang video, ultra-wide, and a lot more. Then when you're done shooting, it gives you a handful of those best shots so you can pick your favorites. More and more, we're using video to communicate, whether it's sharing them through our Instagram stories, capturing special moments, or creating content of our own. For years, Samsung has led the market in 8K TV technology. And today, we're bringing that expertise to mobile. Thanks to S20's super high resolution, you can capture videos in stunning 8K. That's right. 8K is the future of video. And now you can shoot it yourself right from your phone. In fact, we built an entire 8K ecosystem. You can shoot 8K footage from the camera in your pocket, upload it to YouTube over a 5G network, and use TapView to cast it to your 8K QLED TV. That way, you can enjoy your high-quality video right on the big screen.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and I'm a content creator from Australia. I'm here in the product demo zone to show you exactly how the S20 works. So you've already heard a lot about it, but you really have to see it in action. Actually, you already have. Do you remember the video you saw earlier? The one with the cable cars and the Golden Gate Bridge moving through San Francisco? I actually shot that whole film on the S20. I'm so amazed by what this phone can do. So I've traveled around San Francisco with the S20 and managed to get some pretty incredible footage. For me, 8K footage is a game changer. With the extra resolution, it allows me to edit my footage exactly the way I want. Here's some 8K footage I captured over San Francisco. Looks great, right? And worth sharing, don't you think? That's super easy. I can share with my friends by uploading it directly to YouTube without losing any of the original quality. I already uploaded some 8K footage to show you how it looks. Now, we can watch this on the phone, or using the YouTube app on an 8K QLED TV, we can watch it there. Let's check it out. So cool. Capture a moment in 8K, share it with your friends, watch it together, all through the S20.
Record a video, then scroll through the footage to find the perfect moment. And with a single click, you'll get a 33 megapixel still photo with amazing resolution. You can crop any frame and always get a high quality picture. With 8K, S20 revolutionizes your photo and video experience. And it's designed for pro-grade filmmaking. With Pro Mode, you can adjust aperture, exposure, and settings that you'd usually have control over with a DSLR. We even enhanced Super Steady Mode, so you can take sharper videos on the go, thanks to AI motion analysis and an anti-rolling stabilizer. This camera isn't just good, it's in a class of its own, right down to its performance specs. It's got a powerful processor, an all-day battery, and thanks to the Galaxy S20's incredible storage capacity, up to 1.5 terabytes using a micro SD card, you'll have plenty of room for all your favorite photos and videos. And for the people who want even more, the serious professional photographers who need the best of the best, we're proud to introduce the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This device has the largest, most powerful image sensor we've ever put on a smartphone. You want high resolution, it has an unbelievable 108 megapixel AI camera, so you can capture scenes with a level of detail you've never experienced. With a camera this high quality, you don't just get one picture. Zoom in any one part, and a new world comes to light. You practically get a photo album's worth of detail in a single shot. We rebuilt the entire camera system with brand new sensors to help you focus quickly and accurately. The S20 Ultra takes multiple frames using software along with hardware to merge them all into one high-quality photo. And it does it all in 1/10 of a second, much faster than any smartphone out there. S20 Ultra comes with an advanced, cutting-edge zoom function. See, for camera zoom, you usually need more focal length, which means a bulkier device. But when it comes to smartphones, that isn't a great option. You want the device to stay as thin as possible. So we built it with a folded lens. When the light enters the telelens, it's refracted at an angle, producing a powerful zoom effect. The folded lens allows for up to 10x hybrid optic zoom. Now multiply that with a 10x digital zoom, and you can magnify a shot up to 100 times. That's what you'd expect from a telescope. To show us just how powerful the S20 Ultra Zoom is, we invited Colin and Samir to try it out for themselves. Here, let's check it out.
What's up, everyone? I'm Colin.
And I'm Samir, and we're coming to you here at Hawk Hill. Now, we've been making YouTube videos and telling stories together for a long time. We shot our first video over 8 years ago.
And as we've evolved as filmmakers and storytellers, our gear has evolved too. Today, we travel around with bags, big cameras, and bulky lenses. But at the end of the day, the story is what matters most. And we need a versatile camera that can travel anywhere with us and capture it all.
That's why we're so excited about the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Okay, so check this out. We're gonna shoot this scene right here on the ultra wide mode. So right here, this is one of the best views of San Francisco. You got the city in the background, you can see the Golden Gate Bridge, and over there, that tiny dot on the left side of your screen, that's Alcatraz.
Okay, you're telling me that that dot is Alcatraz.
That's exactly what I'm telling you, Colin. That is Alcatraz.
If you're so sure, prove it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get you closer, and I'm gonna prove that to you.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Check this out.
Whoa, that's incredible. That's Alcatraz at 30 times zoom.
So that tiny dot in frame that I just showed you now fills the entire screen. Let me show you where we started from.
Whoa, unbelievable. Now, normally to get a shot like that, we would have to swap lenses.
But now we can get this ultra wide you're looking at, as well as that close up, all with a single device.
Samir, I've got a question for you.
What's up, Colin?
From where we are, can you spot the Palace of Fine Arts?
You know where the show's happening right now?
Yes.
No, man, I don't think so.
You still looking?
Yeah, I'm still looking, man. It's far.
You're not gonna find it.
That's crazy.
Let me show you.
Okay. All right, here we go. Let's see it. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, that's crazy.
That's the Palace of Fine Arts at 100 times zoom.
And that goes for this show, too. As TM mentioned earlier, we're streaming today's event with S20 devices. Give it up for the camera crew. Pretty incredible. Academy Award-winning director, Jimmy Chin.
Hi, my name is Jimmy Chin, and I'm a Team Galaxy member. We are in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and I have lived here for the last 20 years. One of the reasons I really love Jackson is because of the mountains. So when I come home, I really just want to be able to be in the mountains in my own space, in my own time. But the landscape is so inspiring, it's hard for me to stop shooting and creating content. To be able to shoot 8K on the Galaxy S20 Ultra is extraordinary. Being a photographer and a filmmaker, the quality of the images or the footage is something I'm kind of obsessed with. So it's nice to be able to shoot with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, just something I can put in my pocket. For me to have creative freedom, it's often about having the right tool, something that allows me to be spontaneous and to be able to capture an experience in the moment and on the fly. That's what the Galaxy does for me.
And these days, one of the best ways to connect with your friends is through gaming. Whether you're fighting monsters together or racing against time, mobile gaming has become a truly social experience for smartphone users. And yet, too often, our smartphones just don't let us play our favorite games the day where they're meant to be played. However, with 5G, the S20 takes gaming to a whole new level. The displays on all three S20 models have 120 Hz refresh rate for incredibly smooth gameplay. Great gaming experience starts with great games, right? Well, we got you covered. Xbox Game Studio is bringing Forza Street to smartphones for the very first time across Galaxy devices. Hyper-fast response touch gives you the edge over your competition in fast-paced one-on-one races. Our hardware and software deliver powerful performance, minimal lag, so you can play anywhere, anytime. From March 6, you can get a Galaxy S20 of your own, starting at $999. We are honored to support the Olympic Games and their incredible athletes. After all, the Olympic Games are all about bringing people together and inspiring them to perform at the best of their abilities. So later this summer, Samsung will be bringing the best of mobile technology to the Tokyo 2020 Games with the limited edition Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, designed exclusively for athletes of the Olympic Games.